Hey guys, my name is Pearwa. Today I'm gonna show you to make bees. Let's make now. Oh, I have different now, and I have the light gray. It's so beautiful. Let's make it. I will make the shell. I love to make the shell. I will close the clay first. It's like a foam. I think I want to green. I love green and pink and blue and green. Oh, already and yellow. I love all, but I don't like the black. It's so small. Yes or no?
Yes.
I think you are a boy.
What are you doing?
I'm making the shell.
And put it.
Look at make this shell
Put it together.
and put it together in here. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Wow. Can you show me, please?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's make more shell. I want the pink shell. Because I love pink, blue, purple, yellow, orange. Oh, I love all. I think my mommy is there. Oh, it's so beautiful, yes or no?
Yes.
I think the monkey like to eat the poo. I will make more shell. Oh, the light pink. This one is light pink too. Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow! See, fell down. I'm sorry. I love to make shell. The shell is so yummy. I think it's like a white thing shell. I like to eat the shell. It's so yummy. I want to put in here. I will make more, okay?
Okay.
Look at, I'm finished. And click my channel. My name Flower Channel. Bye bye. See you again.